friends, today I'm going to introduce our 23-meter large platform work area truck. It features a left-hand driving steering wheel, an English LCD instrument panel, air conditioning, power windows, central locking and a 5-speed transmission. Equipped with an Isuzu 140 horsepower engine, 7.00 snow tires, 2.5 tons front axle, 4.8 tons rear axle. The boom has 5 sections of synchronized telescopic boom, a working height of 23 meters, a basket that is 3 meters long, 1.5 meters wide and 1 meter high, a load-bearing capacity of 400 kilograms, a wheeling function and can rotate 360 degrees. It can be operated via wireless remote control, manual operation or from the cab. The boom is made of high-strength steel and manufactured with advanced bending technology ensure safer operation. Front V-shaped and rear V-shaped outriggers with a lateral span of 4 meters and a longitudinal span of 4 meters improve vehicle stability during operation. Emergency stop device to ensure all operations are stopped in an emergency situation. Installing an electric emergency pump allows personnel to be brought back to the ground, even if the truck hydraulic system fails. We are manufacturer of large trucks. If you need this truck, please contact me.